Hello everyone. Today we are bringing you the expense tracker that you can download for free. Why it's important? Because when I moved to Canada, managing money felt overwhelming. Expenses were coming from everywhere: rent, groceries, transit, insurance. Remembering things never worked for me. So I built a simple system for myself to save time, stress, and money. Let me show you how exactly it works. This is the instruction page where you will find the details about how to use tips and tricks. Now, let's jump to the solution. Go to the expenses sheet. Here we will enter our daily expenses. Let's try this out with some sample values and you will find it out how easy it is to manage. Here we need to select the date, description, categories, amount, category type, payment and some additional note. Select the expense date. The description. For example, I am selecting rent. Then the category as rent. Enter the amount. Expense type. It can be a fixed cost or a variable cost. Select the payment mode. It can be credit, cash, anything. And add some notes. I will add some more entries now. That's it. Super simple and efficient. The tracker automatically calculates everything for you. Let's check the monthly summary. Here, we can select the month and the year. It shows total expenses, total savings, net spend, and saving rate. Let's explain each category briefly. Total expenses, the amount spent in the entire month. Total savings, amount saved in the entire month. Net spending, this is the amount spent less savings. Saving rate, this is our saving rate, which is a very important metric to judge how much we save as compared to our expenses. We don't need to enter any formula, it's already taken care of in simple terms. No formula to touch. Now let's go to the dashboard for some more info and analysis. This dashboard gives the visibility instantly. By just glancing, we know where money went, what are the most top spending categories without stress and no manual calculation. The plus point is that this tracker is online and can be shared with partners or roommates. As you can see, it shows that 87% of our monthly expenses goes to rent, 2.3% to shopping, 2.1% to phone, and 4.2% to groceries. This pie chart is very informative to visualize the monthly expenditure. Now, let's look at the top 5 spending categories. For us, rent is the biggest chunk where our money is going. I'm sharing this tracker completely free. You will find the download link in the description. Just enter your email here and I'll send the tracker directly to you. There is no cost and no spam. If you're managing money in Canada, this will save you a lot of mental effort. Managing money in Canada does not have to be complicated. This helps you feel more in control, then it's job done. Keep a check on your spam messages if you're unable to find the email in your inbox. If you like this video, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button below to keep you updated on the more informative videos we are going to post ahead. Thank you.